Oh yes, here we are again, Fun Kid Club. It is time to open up our Tigger Play-Doh surprise egg. He's big, he's fun, and he, like you, loves Play-Doh. Thanks for coming and talking to us about Tigger Owl. We love Tigger. He's cute, he's bouncy, and he is fun. But the most wonderful thing about this Tigger is he's the only one. He is one giant Play-Doh surprise egg. And this surprise egg is full of 100-acre woods fun. All right, let's open up this Tigger Play-Doh surprise egg because we're so excited about all the fun things that are inside. Are you ready, Minnie?
Yes, I am.
Ready, set, go. So much fun. Whoa! Too much fun. It won't all fit. What's that?
A ball.
Let's see. It's a happy ball. What about a happy ball is like Tigger? Because Tigger's so happy.
The trophy to put the ball on.
A trophy because Tigger is one championship jumper.
And Legos.
A Lego minifigures bag. Series 14. Woohoo! Okay, we'll open that last.
Oh, it's a little poo.
It says Disney Tsum Tsum Winnie the Pooh.
Cool. Here comes another of the Zoom Zoom.
Disney Tsum Tsum Pooh and Eeyore. Oh, bother. What is it, Pooh? Tigger has all the fun. Sillies, you get to have fun with Tigger all the time. It's a tiger. Now, a tiger's not Tigger, and Tigger is not totally a tiger. Tigger's a special kind of tiger, isn't he?
Yeah.
Roar, roar. They're bouncy, like Tigger. What are these?
Balloons.
Balloons!
We have one more, yay! Look how big that is.
And balloons are bouncy fun like Tigger. Oh, it's purple. We thought it was black. Okay, last one. Ready? Do you want to know how to tie a balloon? Here's the fastest way to tie a balloon. Take 2 fingers, a finger and a thumb here, and 2 fingers here. Wrap it around, and then bring it around the back of those fingers, like that. So you've got it wrapped around there.
And that's how we do it.
And pull it through. And you grab it between those 2 fingers and pull it through. What else do we have left in there? It's
Tigger.
Tigger! It's a cute little Tigger who's got lots of love for his friends. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, that's Tigger. How do we do? He's pretty cute. Let's open up our minifigure bag. Oh, you know what this says? Monsters. How exciting is that? It's a Venus flytrap man. Whoa! Wow, Fun Kid Club, that was one big full surprise egg. Disney Tsum Tsums and a Tigger and a Tiger, a plant monster, a bouncy ball, a trophy for you, Tigger, for being so bouncy and the most fun, and lots of bouncy balloons. Thanks for coming to play at Fun Kid Club, everybody. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it today and you had fun. Where's your thumbs up, Minnie? Thumbs up. Woo-hoo. Bye, Tigger. Bye, Minnie.
Bye.